How to download the Rail Madad app for Android devices. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will be guiding you through the steps on how you can download the Rail Madad app from the Google Play Store. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is open up your Google Play Store, and once the Play Store appears you will need to go to this search option, and in the search bar simply type in for Rail Madad. And once you have successfully typed in Rail Madad, simply hit the enter button or the search button, and now you can see this application, that is the Rail Madad app from the Center for Railway Information Systems. So in order to install this application, simply click onto this install button, and now you can see that the Rail Madad application is being downloaded and is being installed into your system. So once the installation has been successfully completed, you can click onto this open button in order to open the application, and from here you can see that the interface is available to us. To find out about the journey details, you can enter a PNR, and especially if you are having any issues, you also have this number right here, that is the 139 for security or medical assistance. So that's how easily you can download the Rail Madad app for your Android devices. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.